YouTube scrappers. Beautiful day out. Just out here working on my pile, getting some microwaves broken down, and then I put my steel cans in. Then I separated my aluminum cans. That's almost full, so I'll get the old sheet for these. So 35 cents a pound. I'll get for those. I filled that one with metal cans. Yeah, so gonna get a trailer here soon. I'm gonna contact them, see when I can get them in. All those barrels are full of little stuff. I think that tarp, I'm just gonna roll it up and I'm gonna send it to the auction and see what I can get out of it. Some bed frames, an old fridge. That here, that's just a fan, so I don't know if it's a humidifier, because there's nothing in it. There was a tray down in that big spot, so I don't know what that is. I'm gonna have to see about this. There's #1 steel in these white barrels. And this one, and these two, #1 steel. Then all my irony aluminum, I'll be taking the heads off of these, and any ones that I could strip quickly, I'll strip, but other than that, I'll take them in as irony aluminum. And then that there, that right there and over is all stainless steel, so I gotta get that worked out. There's some old aluminum in here too. Still got 2 snowblowers, well, actually 3. That one should work, I think. I just gotta play with the carburetor. Ducks are out cleaning themselves today. Ain't you, duckies? Say hi. I gotta get a fire going and clean up some wood. Yeah, everything's getting soggy now. We're supposed to have rain, I think, on Wednesday. Quite a bit of rain. I don't know if that's stainless steel, that sheet. It might be. And this is an old furnace. I'm gonna take apart. There's some stainless steel there. I'm gonna get some goodies out of there. Had another flat screen dropped off. It's a fluid, I think it's L plasma. But I got 3 more TVs there. What we're up to. This is the stuff I took out of the microwaves. In the last auction, we got a big old pump. Doesn't work, but I'm gonna take it apart and see what's in it. And then I got another one down here. Paid like $3 a piece for. Then a fluorescent light that's damaged big time, but I paid $1 for that, so not too bad. So not too much going on. Getting some empty pails. So yeah, that's what I'm working on right now. Things are starting to look more like spring around here. Anyway, that's what I've been doing today. Like, subscribe, share. Oh, I pulled the elements out of that stove too, so I think I get like 10-15 cents a pound for the elements. I got the stove broke down. I didn't go as far as Bush Dog. He takes her down a little bit farther than I do, but yeah, I got a exercise bike there and one over there to take apart, and a dryer and a washer. Imagine they have aluminum wound motors. Well, my son gave me an old safe that doesn't work anymore, so I might see what the tumblers and stuff are in the door. It opens so I can take the plate off and look inside the mechanism and see if there's any goodies in it or if it's just shred. I'll fill that full of little junk. But yeah, now the work begins. So like I said, I'm going to try to get a trailer here and fill that up and see how much it weighs with shred. Alright guys, like, subscribe, share, and we'll talk to you on the next one.